aptly titled Tree Change, the show's 18th season follows 5 teams as they each transform a 10-acre property in Victoria's Macedon Ranges location of Gisborne. So, who will come out on top, and who will be fleeing faster than Scotty shouts tools down? Keep scrolling to meet the cast of the Block 2022. Nor the cameras, apparently, as Sharon has been front and center on TV before. Eagle-eyed fans may remember Sharon from her stint on Neighbours, on which she played Dippy Rebecci. She now works as a lawyer, while her hubby Anchor is an accountant. With their joint construction talents, the duo own their own building company called Smooth Sailing Designs. When I tell people I am doing my apprenticeship, they always say, "You don't build, you don't do anything." But I do everything, Jenny confessed to 9. Just proving they have what it takes, the couple was amid their own home build when they got the call to compete on the block. Elle and Joel, New South Wales inspired to apply for the Block 2022 after finding solace in the show throughout 2021's lockdown. Elle and Joel are bringing a litany of talents to the construction site. Meanwhile, Elle is a social media influencer with over 700k followers on the gram. Oh, and they're that couple who walked out just a couple of days into filming, Omar and Oz, New South Wales hailing from Western Sydney. Besties Omar and Oz are hoping to be role models for young Muslim Australians during their stint on the Block 2022. "We are Muslim, and I am Lebanese, but I am Australian Lebanese," Oz told 9 Now. "I'm a proud Australian and I want to show what 2 Muslim Aussies can do." Meanwhile, Omar is an ex-NRL player, so he'll be bringing the muscles. The duo are also staunch family men. Oz has 3 sons, while Omar has 2. Bright and bubbly Sarah is also bringing her A-game, rubbishing those who have something to say about her loud personality. "People always say that I'm so loud," she says. "Yes, I'm a lot, and some people don't like it, but I'm harmless." Indy Bramelin August 5, 2022. Indy Bramelin. Indy is a junior digital content producer who spends her days delving into the good, the bad and the ugly of reality TV. Favorite reality TV show, Beauty and the Geek. Most iconic reality TV star, Abby I'm a Gemini Chatfield. BATG's Lachie Mansell comes in a close second.